the bottom skin for the right elevator. Riveting in progress. See the metal plate I move. That's what it looks like, and it gives support to the rivet gun. Insert riveting noises here. Stupidly, I had my music playlist from the 80s going strong, and copyright issues, it won't fly, so it's been removed. You didn't want to hear it anyway. So this is the back side of the rib, and it's dimpled, as is the skin. And it's going to go right on top, lie on the skin. The flip side of the skin, the rivets are inserted by hand, one by one. And then simple tape keeps the rivets from falling out when I flip the skin over. You can see the rivet head changing out. That's the short one. The long one allows me to access the behind that tall part of the rib. It interfered with the short one, so. And you move the metal plate along down row by row. Now we check the rivets. A gauge tool should just overlay that rivet, the machined head there. And also the gauge is used to check the height of the rivet. If it's over squeezed or under squeezed, you'd find it out here. Job done. The upper half of the skin will sandwich with the lower half and into one complete structure. The manufactured head lays flush with the skin. We pull the tape off, and we can verify that that is indeed the case. Job done.